In Mathcad, I started building a reference worksheet for myself that contains a bunch of stuff for physics that I might want to use later on. For example, I defined some additional constants, like I've got my gravitational constant and Coulomb's constant. I've got a bunch of functions for dynamics. Let's scroll down through here. Some energy equations, moment of inertia, some electricity stuff, alternating current circuits. I've got some light and waves, and then I've got some other different variables for facts about the solar system and atomic physics. So this is all great. Oh yeah, I even created a custom unit for myself for electron volts. So let's say that I decide to create another worksheet. Right now, all this contains is a text block, and I decide that I want to use some of the information from the other worksheet. One thing that I can do is I can copy and paste from that other worksheet, or if you go to the Input Output tab, you can include another worksheet in this worksheet. And that will bring over all the different variables, constants, functions, units that you have defined in the other worksheet. You can see that the keyboard shortcut is Control-Shift-W, but I will just click the icon and it opens up a region. Here is an Include button. I will click on the Include button, and now I will navigate to where that worksheet is. Let me click the Open button, and you can see it listed in here. And so now that I've got this worksheet included, I can start using all the information that was defined in there. For example, let's say that I want to calculate some forces between the Earth and Moon at various different distances. So in the other worksheet, I defined a function Shift F, and then I'm going to do Control minus for a subscript. And then I'm going to pass the arguments that go to this. So this is going to be the mass of the Earth, and the variable I defined in the other worksheet was mass, and then a subscript for Earth. And let me do a comma. The other one will be mass, and then control minus moon. And the third variable that I'm going to pass this is going to be the distance, and I called that variable EM. And then let me put in a subscript, and let's take a look at the apogee distance, the furthest distance. So I will click the equal sign, and here it evaluates. Maybe I want to use a different set of units, so let me use the backspace, and I will go to the Math tab, Units. Let's go down to the force area. I want to use kips instead, and then I will click on the outside, and there I've got the force between the Earth and the Moon at apogee. Let's copy and paste this so that we can see this at a different distance. I will do Control C, and then let me click on the worksheet, Control V, and let's change this apogee to perigee, P-E-R-I, and then click on the outside, and there we can see the updated result. And let's do one for the average distance. Let me do Control V, and let's edit this and change the subscript to average. Again, these were all different variables that I set up in the other worksheet, and there we can see that result. So there you have it. That's how you can bring in other worksheets into your current worksheet to leverage work that you have already done. And be aware that you can control and click on this worksheet if you want to open up itself if it is not already open.